Hello, welcome back again. Today I have another drawing tablet unboxing. Today we have the Huion Inspiroy 2. So without further ado, let's unbox this. Got this off of Amazon. Side. There's a box there. Box. No scratches or dirt or anything that I can see. I do like this. I keep forgetting, sorry, to point it towards the camera. I do like this presentation as far as the design goes. I'm a sucker for design on boxes, and this is nice. Some of the higher end ones, when you go into display tablets, they have more of an illustration of some sort. But I like the minimalistic approach they went with this. Let's see here. Okay. This one. Right, tablet. I'm gonna put this aside for now. Little instructions and so right, this is how to pair up the tablet to your PC, laptop, Mac, whatever that may be. So now, here's the pen. Pen feels nice. A little clicky in there. It's about the same size as a Wacom Pro Pen 2, it feels like at first glance. No eraser. Okay, let's put that aside for now. This is a little pin holder. You know, when I was looking online, I was thinking it was metal. I mean, I was hoping, but deep down I knew it wasn't going to be. It's kind of like a plastic. Let's see if this focuses. It's like a glossy plastic. And then I think, yep, this opens here. Has the pen nibs in here. And then this one is, holds it upright, as well as, yeah, there you go. Side as well. So, get the cable here. And then this little guy, so I'll backtrack a little bit. It's a connection. So USB-C one end, USB on the other. But for those of y'all kind of like me that have USB-C, comes with a little adapter, so you can plug in USB to USB female, and then gives you USB-C. So that's pretty good. So anything else in the box where I can tell? Nope. Cool. Toss it on the side for now. All right, and the tablet itself. It's nice. So, Huion here has a scroll wheel, 8 buttons. And then I believe, not too familiar with it, but I believe there are things called groups. So there's 3 groups total. So with these many keys, you can have a couple different options. That's pretty cool. It is plastic, from what I can tell. I don't want to say it's too heavy. It's not heavy at all, actually. It's pretty light. So that's nice, I think, if you're going to be traveling with it. I got the, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but I got the large version of it. It doesn't feel too large. It feels more like a medium-sized tablet. And I know they sell a Insproy Giano, I believe it's called, which is the big version of a different tablet that's a lot larger. But this one in the Insproy side of things is considered the large. It doesn't feel too big. Feels almost the size of the Wacom Pro Medium, or Wacom Intuos Pro Medium. Let me grab that so we can compare the sizes. So for comparison, take this aside. This is the Wacom Intuos Pro Medium size, and this one here is the Insproy from Huion. I mean, they're essentially here the parallel. There's a little bit more of space on this side, which is for these little buttons here. And then place it up top just to see size-wise. The Wacom is a little bit bigger, just a tad, maybe half an inch at that. Take this, let me see. But yeah, this is the Insproy from Huion 2, size large. Build quality feels good. I think for the price point that you pay, it's not bad. I believe I paid $100 for this. And I believe the medium size is, I want to say 80 US, if I'm not mistaken. The buttons I don't have. Have a nice click feel to them. It is plastic though, I will say. It feels, you can tell it's plastic. It doesn't feel too heavy. So if you wanted to travel with this, you definitely could. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to. Yeah, first impressions are nice. I like the size, even though I got a large. I'm not mad about the size. I think anything bigger than this, then maybe would be too big for like a desk. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this for traveling purposes or at the desk, but we will see. I will do another review about setting this up. First thoughts, impressions, pin, all that good stuff. And then I will do another comparison review with the Wacom Intuos Pro a little bit more in depth. See how that goes with the comparison between the two, which one I would choose. But I mean, first impressions of this, I would definitely say it's worth the money. $100. I think if you're just starting into digital art and you don't have the funds to buy something like a Wacom Intuos Pro or an iPad or anything of that sort with a screen, I think this is a good alternative tablet, which you do need to connect with a computer, whether that be PC or Mac, in order for this to work. But yeah, $100. I would pay it again as of now. We'll see if my actual review with the testing of it changes my thoughts at all. But I think for now, I'd say it's a worthwhile purchase. Yeah. What do y'all think? Give me your thoughts down below. Thanks. Peace.